Quartz, the longest-lasting countertop material. Dear friends, countertops are the centerpiece of your kitchen and bathroom. They sustain plenty of wear and tear and are the hub for all sorts of activities from cooking to homework and much more. Because of all this activity, many people are interested in a countertop that will last. Since countertops are such a big investment, the last thing you want is something you're going to have to replace in a few short years. Why do quartz countertops last so long? The non-porous nature of quartz countertops plays a big role in their durability and lasting power. But there are a handful of other reasons why they're so durable. They're easy to take care of. Other stone surfaces absorb moisture, which can turn the countertops into hubs for bacteria. With quartz, that will never be an issue. Not only that, but these countertops never need to be polished. They are naturally shiny, and that sparkle never fades. You might think that you'd need something fancy in order to keep them clean and beautiful, but that's not the case. All you need is soap and water. They're incredibly durable. Quartz is one of the hardest materials you can find. It is chip and scratch resistant, and even if it does get chipped or scratched, repairs are extremely simple. Quartz is also resistant to bacteria and stains because there are no pores for such substances to slip into. The hygienic surface of these countertops makes them the perfect choice for kitchens and bathrooms. They're made to last. Quartz countertops aren't made from any materials that degrade over time, which means that they have the potential to outlast your home itself. Just practice general care and upkeep, and you'll enjoy their beautiful looks for generations. Quartz in your home. Busy homes should never settle for materials that will break easily, crack, or need replacing after a short time, and that's why we love quartz. It's easy to clean and maintain, and its looks never fade. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.